Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to get the public IP address in Laravel 8. So let's start the tutorial. So somebody, if you go and just Google it like this one, like if I go to comment this, and here we are just going to request client IP, right? And print this one, but always printing with a local host. So how you can grab the live IP? The currently my IP is this one, right? So how to grab that client IP to restrict that IP, right? So this I have used, right? Trim shell executed take short my IP address this. After using this, I am able to get the ID. Here you can see, you can check, right? And define the IP. Sorry, you need to add IP, right? So you can see I'm able to grab my IP, right? So this by using this command you can grab the IP address in Laravel 8 easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any issues, just below write the comment and I will explain about this command, right? Have a great day.